Okay. It was Uncle Sam's birthday, and I said I'd grab him some drafting stuff, so I found all these for a lot. I mean, like a lot price, like it was $10. But they're like design templates. So if you want to do, you grab a pencil and you want to draw you need drafting pencils, of course. You draw a burner, a hood, all the little details. The good drafts people, they get paid the big bucks, but I'm sloppy. Oh, see, can't even use a template. Oh, slow down there. Look there, Sonny. Slow down. Make your drawings smoother. Communicate the idea. Draw faucets. And then this would have a scale. I don't know. Oh, jeez. Where's the scale? All of the half-inch scale on this side. So 1/2 inch. And then you put that on your drawings. But of course, they'd look better. But anyway, so there was a whole stack. So there's these are pretty cool because it's like bathtubs, half, 3/8, quarter, and urinals. So this guy was serious. Whoever wanted these out of their house real quick. Architectural stuff. So there's like these are countertop and base tops, and it's scaled. So there's this one, and then I think there's a corresponding one scale up of that stuff. Behel, it's probably German. Trend maker. Home furnishing. There's a king size bed. There's a king size bed. Double bed. Club chair. That's a club chair. Upright piano. Ooh, look at that. Grand piano. Whew. That's a fancy one. This is house planning template. Again, it's got a different scale. 1/8 scale. American Standard plumbing fixtures. So they probably gave these away, by trade shows. Probably at trade shows. Plumbing fixtures. Toilets. Sink. Urinals. Super important. But, the little sleeves. Profile number 2 for architects and engineers. Oh, it's hard to do. They're about a foot long. They're pretty big. Half scale. I'm only going to pull this one out halfway. I don't know what this is. Some kind of sinks. The symphony version. Probably given out at trade shows. They'd go to the Bonnie Forge piping system drawing template. They'd be like, oh, hey, you got to get look at that. It's the piping and the forging and corners. Then you get into like the hyper specialty lateral 45-degree. I don't even know what a Vic flange is. This is different. Ooh, pearl bathtubs. I like that one. That's a good one. And then these two, I think, are almost identical. Made in the same factory. This one's got the curvy thing on it, so that one's much better. So I imagine, yeah. So you'd get these branded. Pretty cool. Anyway, happy birthday, Sam.